Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafiu, and in today's video guys, I'm going to teach you the easy way by which you can select products by color or by size on Pinduoduo without any stress or without any confusion. All you have to do is to watch the step-by-step I'm taking in this video and see how you can actually select your products in the right way on Pinduoduo. Okay, but before I get tutorial started, if you are very new to this channel, please remember to subscribe, hit on the notification bell, so whenever I upload content about China importation, India importation, and some other country importation, you get notified and you watch the video. And lastly but not the least, if you would like me to procure your link on Pinduoduo, Tahoba, or 1688, feel free to reach me via the same phone number on the screen of this video. Let us talk more about importation business. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to train you on how you can be a successful self-independent importer, that is, you are interested to join my paid class, feel free to reach me via the same phone number on the screen of this video. Let us talk more and let us teach you how you can import the right way from China to whatever country of your choice. Okay, so let's get started. So like I said earlier guys, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can select products in the right way on Pinduoduo without any confusion, without any mistakes. So follow me as I show you the step. So the first thing you need to do is to access your Pinduoduo app. You can see this is my Pinduoduo app right here. So I'm going to click on it right away. All right, so at this point here, you need to click on here to close the pop-up. Okay. So when you close the pop-up, you'll be able to have full access to the site. Okay. Now let me scroll down, and you see there are a lot of products you can procure on Pinduoduo. And a brief overview about Pinduoduo for the sake of people that doesn't know what Pinduoduo is all about. Pinduoduo is a Chinese e-commerce platform that allows you to buy a single product, and also on Pinduoduo there is no MOQ on there is no MOQ on Pinduoduo, and also as far as Pinduoduo is concerned, there is no payment for local shipping fee, just like other Chinese e-commerce platforms. So which simply means that whatever you buy from Pinduoduo app, you don't pay local shipping fee. Okay, you only pay for the item. So those are the advantages of Pinduoduo. If you want to know more about Pinduoduo, I have a video on this is the reason why you can procure on Pinduoduo. So just check the video out from my importation training playlist. Okay, so now let's go to the tutorial. Now let's say for instance I'm interested to purchase these items here. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is that I need to click on the product link right here. Okay, click on the product link. So when you click on the product link, it opens up this way. Now you need to pay much attention at this point. This is where some people get it wrong as far as Pinduoduo app is concerned. This app is very easy to use and easy to navigate. All you have to do is to have a better comprehensive knowledge of the app. Okay, so just follow me the step I'm taking so that you'll be able to understand how you can effectively select products on Pinduoduo without any mistake. Okay, now when you open up the product, when you click on the product link, it lands you to this page. Okay, so now you want to make a purchase and you need to select the right product. You need to select the products according to size. You need to select the product according to color. You need to select the product according to availability of the product from the supplier on Pinduoduo. That is what I'm going to show you in this video. Okay, now you need to click on here. You see where you see 54.9 RMB. So you click on there. So when you click on here, it's going to take you to a more information about product category. Now here you can see we have a product for 54.9 RMB. Now this product here, you might decide to this is the product name. Okay, and this is the product capacity. Okay, now let's say for instance I need this particular product name, right, with this capacity. Okay, so if I click on this capacity now, you will see the price will be changed. Okay, so let's go. So if I click on it now, you can see now that having select this capacity for this product name, the price changed to this. So this is the logic here is that the product is priced according to the size and their capacity. Now, let's say for instance, I'm interested to buy this product name of this capacity. I'm interested to buy two quantity of this one. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is that make the product name active. First, make the product name active. Then you come down here, select the product capacity. So I'm going to select the product capacity. Now you can see when I select the product capacity, you can see that the price change. This is the new price for the product capacity. This is the product name, and this is the product capacity. Okay. Now, having select this capacity of this particular product name. Okay. Now, I want to determine that this one here, this capacity of 5 meters capacity of this product, I'm interested to buy this product in a 2 or 3 quantity. Let's say I'm interested to buy 3 quantity of this product, of this name product at this price. Okay, so for you to select the quantity, all you have to do is to click on this plus right here. Okay, so I'm going to click on 1, 2. You see, I have selected this product to be 3 quantity of this particular capacity. So which means that this supplier is going to deliver 5 liter capacity of this product at this price per quantity for a total price of 236.7 RMB. You can see it now that if I'm buying 3 quantity of this product, I'm paying this so amount of money. Okay, now if I decide to buy this 2 quantity of this particular capacity product, so you have to come here and decrease the quantity. So if I click on that, the quantity will reduce and the price will reduce. So you can see now that now if I buy 2 quantity of this product, I'm paying this particular amount of money for the capacity of this product for this particular product name. That is it. Now, let's say, for instance, I need to buy this particular name of the product with another capacity. Let's say I want to buy 3 liter capacity of this product. Now, with this particular product name. Okay, so what you have to do is to move to the make sure the product name is active, just like this. Make sure it's active. Then move down to the column of the capacity. Make that one also active. Okay, so I'm going to click on it. So in this regard, you must have 2 things active. The product name must be active. The capacity or the size of the product must be active before you can select the quantity you want. Now here, I need this particular product of 3 capacity of this particular product name. I need like 3 pieces of it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to come here, click on this plus sign to add 3. Now when I add 3, the price increase. So 1, 2, 3. Now the quantity I'm buying now is 5 of different size and different capacity of the same product name. Now this is telling me that to buy the 5 quantity of this product, I'm paying this oh, sorry for the interruption. So this is telling me that if I'm buying this particular product name of this particular 5 quantity at this capacity and this capacity, I'm paying the sum of 249.5 RMB to buy this product. Now, if you want to decide that, okay, out of this product, I want to delete one from this, all you have to do is that you need to come here, click on minus. So I'm minus 1. So this simply means that I'm buying 2 of this product, two capacity of this and 2 capacity of this product name at this price. Okay, so this is how you select your product, whatever you are trying to buy. This is just the basic step on how you can select your product. So all you have to do is to understand the step, or that in some cases, if you find it difficult to understand what is written in Chinese language, you can bring up your iDictionary to do the translation, or you screenshot and you translate from your WeChat account. I have done a lot of video about different way by which you can translate from Chinese character to English language. You can check it up from my playlist on my importation class. Okay, now here you can as well check the product picture. All you have to do is to click on the big product picture here. Now you see there are difference between the size, the size and the capacity of the product. So the picture will tell you more as well. When you are, we are on a 3 liter capacity. So if I click on the product picture now, you see the picture of 3 liter capacity at the price of 69.9 RMB for this greater machine. Now, if I sweep to this side, this is a 5 liter capacity. You can see it here, 5 liter capacity. You can see the size of the product here. So, and then this is the amount you are buying the 5 liter capacity. So if I sweep to check more, this one is also 5 liter capacity, but it comes with more features than the previous one. So that is why the price stated 78.9 RMB. Okay, now let's go back to the sales page. So this is how you actually select your product by size or by quantity or by color on Pinduoduo. You can as well use this method to select products for clothes, jewelries, and whatsoever. You can use this method to select products from any supplier. Once you are done with your product selection, you come down below here and click on this red back button to make payment using your Alipay. If you don't want to use your Alipay, you can click on here to change from Alipay to another means of payment method. There are 4 means of payment method available in Pinduoduo. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. You can use any method to make payment. But if you find it difficult to pay your supplier on Pinduoduo or Taoba or 1688, you can reach me via the phone number on the screen of this video. I can pay your supplier without any stress. If you also want me to procure your link on 1688, Tahoba, or Pinduoduo, you can as well reach me via the same phone number on the screen of this video. All you have to do is to tell me what you want, then you get a quotation. If you are interested in any of my service, feel free to reach me via the same phone number on the screen of this video. Lastly but not the least, if you want me to teach you step by step on how you too can be an independent self-importer, that is an importation you can do without using any agent. You talk to supplier, chat supplier, and place your order and make payment directly without involvement or pay extra charges of agency. Feel free to reach me via the same phone number on the screen of this video if you have interest to join the paid class. Thank you guys for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.